Hey everyone! Today, let's chat about something that hits close to home for many of us. How poor time management can ripple through our professional and personal lives. It's like dropping a pebble in a pond. The ripples go far and wide. So, grab a seat and let's dive into this together. Impact on professional life. Missed deadlines. The domino effect. Missing deadlines is like knocking over the first domino in a long line. It not only affects your work, but can also disrupt the flow of your team or even the whole organization. Reduced quality of work. The hasty brushstroke. Rushing through tasks can be like painting a masterpiece in a hurry. The result? A picture that doesn't quite capture the beauty you're capable of. Increased stress. The boiling pot. Constantly feeling behind schedule is like a pot that's always on the boil. It builds up stress, which can bubble over into other areas of your work. Damaged professional relationships. The weakened links. Poor time management can strain relationships with colleagues and clients, much like a chain that weakens with every weak link. Stunted career growth. The grounded rocket. Imagine your career as a rocket. Without the fuel of good time management, it's hard to take off towards new opportunities and achievements. Impact on personal life. Work-life imbalance, the tilted scale. Picture a scale with work on one side and personal life on the other. Poor time management can leave this scale permanently tilted, robbing you of well-deserved personal time. Strained relationships, the neglected garden. Relationships need time and attention, much like a garden needs water and sunlight. Neglect them, and you might find the garden of your relationships starting to wither. Reduced personal well-being. The flickering flame. Your well-being is like a flame. Neglect it and it flickers and dims. Without time for self-care, exercise, hobbies, or relaxation, life can start to feel a bit grey. Lost opportunities for personal growth, the closed book. Imagine each new experience as a book waiting to be opened. Poor time management can leave these books unopened, leading to missed opportunities for personal growth and joy. Recognizing these impacts is key to understanding the full value of good time management. It's not just about getting things done. It's about creating a life that's rich, fulfilling, and balanced. It's about painting your masterpiece, tending your garden, and fueling your rocket for an amazing journey.